every Jedi remembers the moment they chose their first lightsaber. And at Galaxy's Edge, you can build your own in Savi's hidden workshop. But there's a lot more to it than most people realize. So today we're breaking down everything you need to know, from the experience to the builds and customizations to how it brings the Galaxy's Edge to life. So venture with us as we find out which saber you should choose, and it all starts here at Savi's workshop, where you're not just buying a lightsaber, it's a full-on ceremony. And it starts the moment you step foot into the workshop. The gatherers are going to guide you through the story and history of the lightsaber while you get to piece yours together, down to choosing the kyber crystal that goes inside. Some of my favorite things are the room actually interacts, so it'll light up different colors while they're telling you the history of each lightsaber, and you even get to hear Master Yoda's voice.
With many parts you began, yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined. Much more they will become. It is time. And activate.
This is the most memorable experience in all of Galaxy's Edge.
When it comes to choosing your lightsaber, there are 4 different paths. And first up, we have this Peace and Justice saber. This is right out of the Republic era. It is so beautiful. The combination of the brushed metal and the different materials just makes this saber perfect for traditional Jedi lovers. Now, if you want to get this one, there are 2 different kinds you can get. One of them resembles Master Luminara's saber, which you can see right here. And the other one is more like Obi-Wan's Episode 1 saber. If you love Jedi, this is the perfect saber for you.
Now, the protection and defense lightsaber is one of my favorites. The emitter on this model is just so unique, and all of the gold, silver, and bronze accents are so beautiful. This has a very High Republic feel to it. There's even like engravings from what looks like Jedi temple walls on it that are just absolutely stunning to look at.
This is the Elemental Nature Saber, and I feel like this is the one that best embodies the Force, because the Force runs through all living things, and we can see that through these natural materials like wood. There's leather here, and this is like bone on the end. Now, one thing to know is that these are made of aluminum, so they're very heavy, very hefty. Just on the outside, some of these materials are synthetic, so they can resemble those natural looks. If you love animals, if you're a creature lover, this saber's the one.
Now, this saber is very special because it just got brand new parts. This is the Power and Control. And if you are a dark side fan like me, this is the saber for you. It has parts that came off of like the Sith homeworld, abandoned temples, and I love the color scheme of this one. It is just very shiny, bright. And then for the dark side, I love that we have this combination of black and red on there as well. Now, each one of these lightsabers, you will be given the option to choose between different sleeves, emitters, the pommel, and activation plates. And if you're like me and get overwhelmed by choices, head over to fanporium.com. It's a really cool site where you can build your saber digitally, swap out all the parts, so there's no guesswork when you come. You just know exactly what you're gonna build. And then when you're done with the experience, you're not only gonna get your saber, but you're gonna get your blade, a bag to go along with it too, which is really great to carry it around. A lot of people stop here, but there's so much around Galaxy's Edge to customize your lightsaber. The first thing I recommend is stepping into the coolest merch shop, Dakondar's Den of Antiquities, where you can upgrade your lightsaber bag. What I love about this bag is it is way more detailed than the one you get from the experience. You can see all these different textures on there. You have pockets which are magnetic that you can store stuff inside. On the back, we have some Arabish print. It's very padded, so your saber will be very secure. And I love the strap. It's very heavy duty with a little bit of a padding for the shoulder as well.
My favorite upgrade are the kyber crystals, because at Savi's you can only pick one of 4 colors, which are purple, green, blue, or red. So if you want to swap them out and change the color of your blade, just come here at Docks and pick whichever color you want. Plus, you can also get white or yellow. What I really like about these is they come in these cute little canisters, and there's a character attached to each kyber crystal. And the bonus is that they also work with the holocrons, and each crystal features about 3 different character lines.
To swap out your crystal is super simple. All you're gonna have to do is untwist these 2 bottom sections right here. You don't even have to take them all the way off, and then the switches are just gonna pop right out. I went with a red crystal, so you'll see that there. And all you have to do is pop it out, and we're gonna go with the green and put it in. You'll see it kind of light up in there, and you'll wanna lock it into place. Once it's on there, what's really important is on each one of these, you're gonna see a color. So we have red on the bottom, and on the actual saber, you're gonna see red on the bottom there and line it up. Then on this side, you're gonna see blue, line it up with the blue icon that is on here. And then all you have to do is twist both of those pieces back on. And then when you insert your lightsaber blade, you are going to get the color of the new kyber crystal that you chose. So now we have green.
Over at the creature stall is where you can find the coolest accessory to change up the aesthetic of your new lightsaber. And that's with one of these really cool pommels. This one is of a crystallized wampa, and I just love all the detail of this guy. To swap him out, you'll just take the pommel off of your Savi saber, and then you can just pop on your new really cool wampa pommel. And once you do that, you're going to feel like you just added a brand new twist to your saber and really made it your own.
Now back at Duck Anders, there's a couple small but really great accessories. The first one is this connector. What makes this so great is if you have built two lightsabers when you're here or with somebody who built theirs, you can turn them into a saber staff by putting one on this side and one on the other. Now this does only come in the one color, so this matches the Peace and Justice extremely well, and I feel like it would also go with Power and Control well too. I also recommend grabbing this lightsaber belt clip. It will allow you to actually carry your lightsaber on your hip and is going to come in handy for what we're going to show you next.
The most important upgrade is coming up. But first, we have to accessorize your lightsaber with some Jedi and Sith robes to really bring Galaxy's Edge to life. These robes look fantastic. The quality and texture of them are so authentic, you will really feel like a Jedi or Sith in them. What's really fun is to get the robes that match the faction of the saber that you built, because it'll make your saber feel that much more real and believable. So when you're all dressed up and you go meet characters, they'll really have something to say about it.
Don't you think this weapon is in poor taste today, the color, the scheming?
It is a little bit, but I needed to blend in for you.
Blend in?
Yeah.
I know, but this is the one, think of all these children around you, all right?
Okay,
Maybe
okay.
red.
I got you.
Okay.
I got you.
Next time.
Now the most important accessory is the one you're gonna use when you get home, because you're only here for one day. And that's where this lightsaber stand comes in handy. It is absolutely beautiful, very in-world. I love the prongs where your lightsaber hilt goes. These slide so they're actually adjustable, so you can make it wider or shorter depending on the size of your saber. And you have LED lights on here that are controlled with a button in the back that you can alternate the colors. So if you have a dark side hilt, make them red, light side, green, blue, you can choose from so many. But the kicker here is you can get an adapter for this. So remember those kyber crystals you bought earlier? You can get these kyber crystal attachments that go all around here. It holds a ridiculous amount, it's like 6 or 10, so you can display them all on there. And these light up so it'll glow out through your crystal. So you have the lights from your crystal and the lights on the stand themselves. It's so beautiful. And now that you have everything you need for your lightsaber, make sure to check out the video here for everything else worth grabbing while you're here at Galaxy's Edge.